Welcome to the amazing world of zip ties. In the next few minutes, I'll show you 26 brilliant ways to use these simple plastic fasteners around your home, garage, and everyday life. From quick repairs to clever organization hacks, these affordable little tools might just become your new best friend. Let's go! Make your soap usage more economical. Take 2 zip ties and tighten them around the dispenser nozzle. Now when pressed, a small portion of soap will come out instead of a huge drop. Create a simple depth limiter for your drill bit. Take a zip tie and secure it on the drill bit at the desired distance from the tip. Now drill holes until it stops. They will all be of the same, precisely set depth. Create a temporary handle for a drawer. Take a zip tie, bend it, tighten it, and thread it through the handle hole from the inside of the drawer. Take a zip tie and thread it through the holes of all your keys. Tighten the tie, forming a ring of the desired size. A durable and lightweight keychain is ready. Gather all zip ties together and secure them with one zip tie, creating a compact bundle. When using, simply pull out the required number of zip ties and tighten the ring. Replace a lost zipper pull on your bag. Thread a zip tie through the zipper lock hole. Tighten the tie, forming a small convenient ring. Thread a zip tie through the center of a tape roll. Trim the end of the tie at an acute angle, forming a cutting edge. Now to tear the tape, simply press it against the sharp edge of the tie. Open a tightened zip tie without cutting it. Take pliers and carefully squeeze the zip tie lock, slightly flattening it. While holding the lock compressed, pull on the end of the tie. The tie will easily release and can be reused. Can't thread all the wires into the sleeve at once? Wrap a zip tie around all the cable wires closer to their ends. Tighten the tie, gathering the wires into a tight bundle. Now insert the gathered wires into the sleeve or tube. Does the zipper on your pants constantly come undone? Thread a zip tie through the zipper pull on your fly. Tighten the tie, forming a loop about the size of a waistband button. After zipping up, place the zip tie loop over the button. This simple method will ensure a perfectly even surface for your tile laying without special tools. For convenience, combine all your cutting boards using zip ties and washers. To keep the wires in the plug secure and prevent them from falling out, try this reliable method with zip ties. Securely glue parts together without clamps or vices. Apply glue to the surfaces of the parts and join them together. Wrap several zip ties around the parts being glued. Leave the structure in this position until the glue is completely dry. For convenient smartphone charging, try making this simple holder from zip ties. For compact storage of clothes in a small bag or suitcase, try rolling your items into tight rolls and securing them with zip ties. Attach two zip ties to your smartphone, one at the top and one at the bottom. Trim the ends to create convenient support legs. Don't know where to put your WD-40 straw so it doesn't get lost? Secure the straw directly to the can using one zip tie and the problem is solved. Secure zip ties to the surface using a stapler. Fasten the cable with the zip ties. If you need the flame of a lighter to burn for a long time, for example while working in your workshop, try this idea with a zip tie and a binder clip. Repair a chip in a plastic part. Apply tape to the back of the chip, creating support. Take a zip tie and carefully melt its end with a lighter. Apply the melted plastic to the damaged area, filling the chip. Pack the plastic so it penetrates all cracks. Wait for it to completely harden. Take a long zip tie and make multiple cuts along its entire length. Insert the end of the tie into another zip tie, forming a convenient gripping loop. Lower the resulting tool into the drain opening of the sink. This is a simple and inexpensive way to clean a drain without chemicals. Now I'll show you the correct and reliable way to connect several pipes together using zip ties. Prevent a spoon from sliding into the bowl. Take a zip tie and place it on the spoon handle. Position the tie closer to the end of the handle. Tighten zip ties on the earpiece of glasses, securely attaching a flashlight. The perfect solution for repairs in hard-to-reach places or for reading in the dark. Gather a string curtain into an elegant drape using a zip tie of suitable color and length. Tighten to the desired density, forming a beautiful cinch. And finally, one more convenient way to secure cables and wires to a surface.